Hello everyone, welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the gems of the Italian coast, Rimini Beach. Located on the Adriatic coast, Rimini is famous for its long white sand beaches and clear blue waters, ideal for those who love it. Come and take a walk with me and feel the wonderful atmosphere here. Rimini Beach, located in the east of Italy on the Adriatic coast, is not only famous for its beautiful scenery, but also for its pleasant climate and the vibrant life of its people. The people of Rimini are very friendly and hospitable. They are proud of the city's rich cultural heritage and are always ready to share their secrets and local specialties with visitors. With a combination of a pleasant climate and the warm spirit of the people, Rimini is an ideal destination for those looking for a relaxing and adventurous holiday. Rimini Beach attracts tourists not only with its clear blue water and soft golden sand, but also with its charming natural beauty. Under the warm sunlight, the scenery here becomes more sparkling and lively than ever. Girls in bikinis relax on the beach, enjoying the fresh air and gentle breezes from the sea, creating a lively and charming picture. They lie on sun loungers or stretch out on the sand, sometimes playing with the waves, all blending into a perfect scene of a beautiful summer. Rimini Beach is not only famous for its golden sand and clear blue water, but also for its rich marine ecosystem, including marine vegetation and unique coral reefs. Under the clear waters of the Adriatic Sea, you will discover a diverse and colorful underwater world. The marine vegetation here includes seaweed and seagrass, providing an important habitat for many marine animals and helping to maintain the ecological balance of the area. Marine tourism plays an extremely important role in the Italian economy, especially in coastal areas such as Rimini. With a long and diverse coastline, Italy attracts visitors not only with its beautiful landscapes, but also with its rich cultural and recreational activities. Marine tourism not only generates significant income for local residents through accommodation, food and entertainment services, but also contributes to the preservation and development of infrastructure. So we have discovered the wonderful beauty of Rimini Beach and the interesting things that this sea has to offer. If you feel excited about this journey and want to continue following our adventures to other seas around the world, don't forget to subscribe to our Wandering channel. Your support is a great source of motivation for us to continue bringing new and exciting experiences. Please hit the subscribe button, share the videos with your friends, and leave comments to let us know what destinations you want to explore next. Thank you for joining us.